Today we are going to demonstrate the installation of the Slimline Weathershields for the Hyundai ix35. It's important that you read and follow the fitting instructions precisely. Before installation, please ensure that the temperature is between 15 and 27 degrees Celsius. Make sure there is no surface condensation on the vehicle. If it has been left out overnight, please wipe all moisture from the door. Your Slimline Weathershield will be packaged as shown. First, remove the contents from the packaging, ensuring all parts are included as listed in the fitting instructions. The ix35 model uses clips as part of the Weathershield installation. Not all models have clips, so it's important that you read the fitting instruction for each model when you are installing these products. Now onto the installation. Please ensure your door frames are clean and dry. Fully lower all windows. Today we are starting with the right hand front Weathershield. Leaving the backing tape on the product, trial fit the front, then the rear Weathershield, locating it in accordance with the fitting instructions. Note the areas covered by the backing tape. These will be your Weathershield attachment areas. Now we will clean both the front and rear attachment areas thoroughly using the alcohol wipes provided. It's very important to ensure they are completely free of dirt and dust. Once completed, allow the attachment areas to dry thoroughly. Once dry, apply the adhesion promoter directly onto the same attachment area. This step is essential to ensure proper adhesion of the Weathershield. Allow at least 5 minutes drying time after application. Pull back approximately 50 millimeters of the backing tape liner from each end of the Weathershields and fold them back to create a pull tab as shown. Fully remove the vertical backing tape liner at either end of the Weathershield. Do not touch the exposed surface of the backing tape at any time. Attach one of the two front metal clips to the front edge of the Weathershield, ensuring the nipple of the clip engages with the hole in the Weathershield. Install these clips by hand without using tools. Note, not all Weathershields require clips for installation. For this vehicle, we're inserting the front metal clip between the mirror sail and the window rubber, as shown. Position the Weathershield onto the door frame. Double check the positioning and apply light pressure to the front and rear of the Weathershield where the tape has been removed. Peel back the remaining backing tape liner using the pull tabs created earlier. Ensure this is done slowly and carefully. Apply firm pressure around the attachment areas. This is a new important process. Using the felt block provided, firmly rub down the attachment area 4 times to ensure maximum adhesion. Failure to do this is the most common cause for delamination of weather shields. The felt block will ensure your weather shield remains scratch-free. Please ensure it is used. Attach the top metal clip over the door frame and the weather shield. The nipple in the clip should engage with the holes in the weather shield. Again, install the clips by hand without using tools. We will now install the rear weather shield. Trial fit the weather shield, locating it in accordance with the fitting instructions. Leave the backing tape on at this stage. Note the attachment areas. As we did with the front weather shields, peel back approximately 50 mm of the backing tape liner from each end of the weather shield and fold them back to create a pull tab. Remove the vertical backing tape liner at either end of the weather shield. Do not touch the exposed surface of the backing tape at any time. Position the weather shield on the door frame, double check the positioning, then apply light pressure to the ends of the weather shield where the tape has been removed. Pull back the remaining backing tape liner using the pull tab created earlier. Ensure this is done slowly and carefully. Apply firm pressure around the attachment areas. Reusing the felt block used on the front weather shield, please rub down the attachment area 4 times to ensure we get maximum adhesion. Complete installation by installing the top rear metal clips over the door frame and the weather shield as shown. Ensure the nipples in the clip engage with the whole of the weather shield. Install the clips by hand. Do not use tools. Repeat this process for the other side of the vehicle and your ix35 weather shields will be installed correctly. Now that we have installed a weather shield correctly, we wanted to take you through a few examples of products that have failed and the reasons for this. These failures are due to poor installation. In the first example, you can see that the surface of the tape is shiny and glossy. This indicates that the part has not been rubbed down correctly, and as a result, there is not enough adhesion between the weather shield and the vehicle. Over time, this can result in delamination. The inclusion of the felt block and the process of rubbing the part down 4 times will overcome this situation. The second example is of a part that has been installed correctly and the force required to remove the weather shield from the vehicle. You will see that the tape has actually been pulled apart and great force is required to remove the weather shield from the vehicle. The adhesion forces are so strong that the double-sided tape will tear along itself lengthways before giving up its grip on either the weather shield or the vehicle. Next up, we have a weather shield that required clips for installation, but not all the clips were used in the installation. This is a close-up of the middle clip. On the back of the weather shield, you can see that the adhesion was great around this point. The actual clip installation made sure the tape was fully bonded, as the foam has torn itself apart during the removal process. Looking at where the right clip should have been located, there is no such effect. Also, looking at the front, we see surface distortion present where the middle clip was located, and no such effect where the right clip should have been. If your vehicle requires the use of clips for the weather shield installation, it's important they are always utilised. Finally, we can see an example in which the included red mask double-sided tape wasn't used. The 3M tape used is an extremely high-performing automotive product and has been installed by experts. No replacement product will provide the level of performance required. Thank you for watching this installation video.